Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I am going to be cleaning my kitchen and also I think I'm going to do my fridge, and I really just need to like meal prep, and I just want to share with you what I'm going to be eating throughout the week. For anybody new here, trying my hardest to lose weight. I'm on the new year, new me kick, and I just want to share that with you. If you watched yesterday's video, you know that I definitely wasn't in a good headspace yesterday, and I really just want to like refocus and like just refocus. Just a hard reset. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think after I clean my kitchen and after I have some like good food prepped for the week, I'm gonna feel a lot better about my life. So I'm gonna clean my kitchen, I'm gonna clean my fridge. Chris actually went grocery shopping for me this morning, but I still have a ton of stuff. There's stuff like everywhere that I have to put away, as well as clean. Is my camera focusing? As well as clean the kitchen. I have a ton of dishes to do. So that's my plan. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys along the ride, for the ride. I'm gonna clean, and then I will show you my kind of like meal plan for the week. Stuff like that. Also, how lucky am I? Like, I know all my, well, any parent really, but I know all my moms are gonna be like, oh my God, that's amazing. So it's Sunday, and I'm hoping to have this video up tomorrow. So the Patriots and Chargers game's on. Sorry, we're from New England, we're Pats fans. But my husband actually took our daughter to my in-laws to watch the game, so I have the whole house to myself. So I can really just kind of like hunker down and like get my stuff done with like no interruptions whatsoever. I like football, but like it's not like a super priority for me, so I was like, no, like please go. I'm gonna stay home and like clean the house. Especially like last week we had a stomach bug, like So let's get started. I'll pop on eventually when I'm done and show you what I have prepped for the week.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep, don't wanna leave the air you breathe, living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me, don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating
All right, so the kitchen is cleaner. That is as good as it's gonna get for today. What else? I washed and I dried and put away all those dishes that you just saw. So now I'm on to the fridge, and I have chicken sausage and I have eggs going. Those will be like my proteins for the week. So while those cook, I'm gonna clean out my fridge, and then I don't think I'm gonna show it on camera, but I also have to cut up blueberries, cut up strawberries, make granola bites, cut up carrots and cucumbers. I think after I show the fridge, I'm just gonna pop on and give you like the whole spiel of all the meals that I'm prepping. So that's what I'm doing. Let's get started.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
So fast forward, it's a couple hours later, Evelyn is home, and she is gonna help me show you everything that I have prepped for breakfast and lunch for this week. All right, Ev, let's show them what we have. So what do we have here?
Lettuce.
We have spinach, so that could be like for omelets.
And we have this.
That is my spreadable soft cheese. Oh no, my camera's not focusing. Uh-oh. There we go. So what are these?
And these are apples.
Apples.
These are apples always.
Some cheese.
These are apples.
Yeah, what about this?
These are lemon.
It's hummus.
Hummus. And what's this, Mama?
Cheese to have maybe with our apples.
Yep, an apple.
And what are these?
These are eggs.
Hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah.
I have pepperoni to maybe snack on with our cheese.
We have pepperoni always.
Yep, and I have dates, which are my favorite.
They're chocolates.
Well, they taste like chocolates. They're very sweet.
They taste like chocolates, guys.
Yep. Now what are these?
Strawberries.
Yep. And what are these?
Maple.
They're granola bites. All right, what are these? Blueberries.
Blueberries.
And chicken sausage to have maybe at lunch.
For lunch.
And how about this?
Carrots, lettuce.
That's cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
And then last is I want to show them our English muffins.
I'm going to say
and I have English muffins.
It's a muffin.
So maybe I could have, what could I have with that? I could put some cheese on it and have it with some fruit.
And have you want some apples for it?
That's right.
We need some apples for it.
That's right. All right, so that's everything we have prepped for breakfast and lunch. High five. Yeah. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. That is everything I have prepped for breakfast and lunch. As far as dinner goes, I have a ton of chicken in my freezer. Definitely follow me on Pinterest. I'm gonna pop it up here on the screen somewhere. That's where I get pretty much all of my recipes from, is from Pinterest. So you can definitely see what I'm cooking, what I'm loving, what I wanna try. But that's my plan for the week. So hopefully I have a better week than I did the past 2 weeks. I will keep you guys updated. And yeah, that's it. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.